You searched how to buy shares of Norsk Hydro, a Norway-based aluminium and renewable energy company listed on Euronext under the ticker NHY.OL. This video is educational and not financial advice, so always do your own research before investing. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker NHY.OL to find Norsk Hydro. Make sure you select the listing on Euronext so you pick the correct share. On the asset page, check the company profile and basic information along with the price chart. Confirm the name, NHY.OL ticker, and the Euronext exchange match before you proceed. Click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to commit, then carefully review the order details and any fees before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will be queued, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before finalizing the purchase. Your open position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same step-by-step process.